Could adopting low-carbon construction materials and processes make your project cheaper? In Colorado, it just might, as long as you're willing to help cut back on something called embodied carbon. What is that? Embodied carbon refers to the greenhouse gas emissions that come from manufacturing, transporting, installing, maintaining, and disposing of all those building materials. The thing is, all these emissions that occur throughout a construction project, they really add up. Embodied carbon is responsible for 11% of global buildings' greenhouse gas emissions. That's a lot. So, back to Colorado. How does cutting back on your embodied carbon affect the cost of your project? Governor Jared Polis recently signed SB 25-182, a bipartisan law aimed at cutting embodied carbon emissions from construction projects. Starting in 2026, if a project uses asphalt, concrete, and steel that reduces the embodied carbon emissions by 15% or more, that project would qualify for a state industrial clean energy tax credit. Cool. This tax credit covers 30% of qualifying costs to determine a project's industrial emissions, or 30 to 50% of the costs of implementing embodied carbon reducing materials. Super cool. Laws like these demonstrate how we can make climate progress without setting new mandates. Instead, we can shift the conditions that shape the market.